Today we are going to discuss about genetics, in which the term genetics was coined by Bateson. Bateson. What is genetics? It is the study of heredity and variations. Heredity and variations. Heredity and variations. So genetics is the branch of science which deals with the study of heredity and variations. What is heredity? The characters which transform from one generation to another generation, those characters are called hereditary characters. Transmission of characters generation to from one generation to another generation is called hereditary characters. The term genetics was coined by Bateson. Father of genetics, Mendel. Mendel experimental materialist, Pisum Satium. Father of modern genetics, P.H. Morgan. Morgan experimental materialist, Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster. Today we are going to discuss about the multiple alleles. Multiple alleles. In general, each gene has two alleles. Multiple alleles. Multiple alleles. In general, each gene has two alleles. Each gene has two alleles. Each gene has two alternate forms or varieties. They are known as alleles. In general, each gene has two alleles. If the gene contain or has more than two alleles, those alleles are called multiple alleles. What are multiple alleles? If the gene contain more than two alleles, those alleles are called multiple alleles. In general, each gene has two alleles. If the gene contain more than two alleles, those alleles are called multiple alleles. These multiple alleles are explained with the help of ABO blood groups. ABO blood groups. ABO blood groups. ABO blood groups. ABO blood groups were first discovered by Landsteiner. ABO blood group was first discovered by Landsteiner. Identification of ABO blood groups with the help of antigens. Antigen A and antigen B. Antigen A and antigen B. These antigens are the carbohydrates, polymers. If the blood group contains antigen A and antigen B, that means classification of blood groups based on the presence or absence of antigens. In general, antigens are present on the surface of the RBC. Antigens present on the surface of the RBC. And antibodies present in the plasma. Antibodies present in the plasma. These are the antibodies. Once again I repeat, antigens present on the surface of the RBC, those antigens are called surface antigens. Antibodies present in the plasma. Antigens also called as immunogens or isoagglutinogens. Antibodies also called as immunoglobulins. Antibody or immunoglobulin. Antigen or immunogen. In ABO blood groups, these antigens are called isoimmunogens. Antibodies are called isoimmunoglobulins. Coming to ABO blood groups, first one, blood group, antigen. AZ means antigen, and antibody, antigen and antibody. Blood group A, B, AB and O. In A blood group, this is the basic concept of ABO blood groups. In blood group A, antigen A is present. If the antigen A is present, that is A blood group. Antigen B is present, that is B blood group. Antigen A and B both are present, that is AB blood group. The antigens are absent, that is O blood group. In A blood group, antigen A present on the surface of the RBC or on the RBC. In plasma, B antibodies are present. That means A blood group contain antigen A in the RBC, antigen A in the RBC, antibody B in the plasma. B blood group contain antigen B, antibody A. AB blood group contain antigen A and antigen B, both are present. Antibodies are absent. Blood group without antibodies, AB blood group. In O blood group, antigens are absent. Antibody A and antibody B, both are present. Here blood group without antigens is O blood group. Blood group without antibodies is AB blood group. This is the simple basic information about ABO blood groups. Classification of ABO blood groups based on the presence or absence of antigens. Coming to genetic inheritance. In multiple alleles, example ABO blood group, this is the gene I. I gene has 3 alleles, I power A, IA, and IB and IO are small, like so. Gene, this is gene I. Each gene has more than 2 alleles, that is IA, IB, IO. Here IA is dominant allele. I power B also dominant. I is the recessive allele. Recessive allele. So dominant allele SA, IA, IB. Recessive allele is I or IO. Here, this is IA dominant is equal to IB also dominant, and I is the or IO is the recessive. IA dominant allele, IB dominant allele, IO is the recessive allele. IA, IB, these are co-dominant alleles, co-dominant each other. IA, IB are the co-dominant with each other. See, a dominant alleles are IA, IB. Recessive allele is IO. Recessive allele is IO. Coming to blood group phenotype, and second one is genotype. In general, each gene has two alleles. So this gene exhibit three phenotypes. This gene exhibit three phenotypes. Here a simple formula is there. Number of types of genotypes is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Number of genotypes is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here there are two alleles. Number of genotypes is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is equal to number of alleles. Here, the gene has two alleles, that is equal to n is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So each gene has two alleles. These two alleles forms the three genotypes. In the case of ABO blood groups, gene has three alleles. What are the three alleles? IA, IB and IO. So calculate the number of genotypes. Number of genotypes is equal to, here n is equal to 3. There are three there are three alleles. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Number of genotypes in ABO blood groups is equal to 6. What are the different types of blood groups? Simple blood group A, and second one B, third one AB, and fourth one O. A genotypes are IA, this is one type of genotype, and second one is IO, this is second type of genotype. That means A blood group has two genotypes. It has two genotypes. And coming to B blood group. B blood group genotypes IB and IB. So it has also two genotypes. In AB blood group. In AB blood group, it has only one genotype, IA and IB. That is one genotype. And O blood group, IO. So that is one genotype. Here total number of genotypes in ABO blood groups is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 5 and 6. Number of genotypes in ABO blood groups is equal to 6. Number of phenotypes, these are the phenotypes. Phenotype. There are 4 phenotypes. 4 phenotypes and 6 genotypes. What are the 4 phenotypes? A blood group, B, AB and O. That is 4 phenotypes. 4 phenotypes. Here 6 genotypes. Number of types of genotypes is equal to formula n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is equal to 3. In AB blood group, where n is equal to 3. So number of types of genotypes is equal to 6. Number of types of genotypes is equal to 6. That is about phenotype and genotype of ABO blood groups or blood groups. And coming to next one, blood group inheritance. Before going to that, identification of blood group in a laboratory. Identification of blood groups in the laboratory. That is blood grouping or group test. Blood grouping or blood group test. First one, this is the blood sample. These are the 3 blood samples. First one is blood sample. For blood sample, we add the antibody A. If the antibody A is added to the blood sample, antibody A, this is antibody A. Anti-A means antibody A. If the antibody A is added to the blood sample, it gives clump, C-L-U-M-P. Clump means clot. If the antibody A is added to the blood sample, it gives clump. Clump is formed due to the reaction of same antigen and antibody. The reaction between same antigen and antibody, that means A antigen, A antibody, B antigen, B antibody. So if the antibody A is added to the blood sample, antibody A is added to the blood sample, it gives clump. That means this blood sample contains antigen A. This blood sample contains antigen A. Antigen A. If the antigen A is present, that blood group is called A blood group. A blood group. If the antigen A is present, that is A or AB. A or AB. Once again I repeat, if the antibody A is added to the blood sample, it gives clump. That blood group is A or AB. And second one is blood sample antibody B. Antibody B is added to the blood sample, it gives clump. That means this sample contains antibody B is added to the sample, it gives clump. So this sample contains antigen B. If the antigen B is present, that blood group is B or AB. B or AB. Antibody B is added to the sample, blood sample, it gives clump. That blood group is B or AB. And third one, blood sample. Here antibody B is added to the blood sample, it gives clump. The antibody A is added to the blood sample, it gives clump. It may be A or AB. If the antibody B is added to the blood sample, it gives clump. It is B or AB blood group. Coming to third one, blood sample, antibody A and antibody B, both the antibodies, antibody A and antibody B, both the antibodies are added to the sample, it gives clump. Both the antibodies, antibody A and antibody B, both the antibodies are added to the sample, it gives clump. That means this sample contains antigen A and B. Antigen A and B. So this blood group is called AB blood group. AB blood group. If the antibody A is added to the sample, it gives clump, that is A or AB. B added to the sample, it gives clump, that is B or AB. Both the antibodies A and B are added to the sample, it gives clump, that is AB blood group. So both the antibodies added to the sample, it gives clump. So this is AB blood group. AB blood. And last one is, fourth one is blood sample, antibodies A and B, both added to the sample, no clump. There is no clump. The antibody A and B, both added to the sample, there is no clump. That means the sample does not contain any antigens. Antigens are absent. So blood group without antigens, that blood group is called O blood group. If the both antibodies A and B added to the sample, it gives clump, that is AB blood group. Both added to the sample, no clump, that is O blood group. Antibody A is added to the sample, it gives clump, A and AB, A or AB. Antibody B is added to the sample, it gives clump, that is B or AB. Both antibodies are added to the sample, it gives clump, that is AB. Both antibodies added to the sample, it gives no clump, that is O blood group. So third one is, fourth one, this is another blood sample. Both the antibodies, antibody A and antibody B added to the sample, it gives clump, that is O blood group. O blood group. And last one is RH antibodies. It is a different antigen. RH antigen was first discovered by Lord in rhesus monkey. If the antigen is present, RH antigen is present, that is RH positive. If the RH antigen is absent, that is RH negative. In general, RH antibodies are absent. Natural RH antibodies are absent. Here, this is the blood sample, anti-D antibody. or RH antibody. Anti-D antibody or RH antibody. RH antibody or anti-D antibody is added to the sample, it gives clump. It gives clump or clotting. So, antibody D is added to the sample or RH antibody is added to the sample, it gives clump. That means this sample contains RH antigen. RH antigen. If the RH antigen is present, that is RH positive. This blood group is called RH positive. Once again I repeat, antibody D or RH antibody is added to the sample, it gives clump, that is RH positive. And last one is, this is a blood sample, anti-D antibodies or RH antibodies. RH antibodies or anti-D antibodies are added to the sample, it gives no clump, that is RH negative. This is RH negative. This is RH positive and RH negative. For example, the antibody A and B, antibodies A and B added to the sample, it gives clump, that is AB blood group. At the same time, RH antibodies also added to the sample, it gives clump, that is AB positive. AB positive. There is no clump for RH antibodies, that is AB negative. AB negative. That is about blood grouping. Once again repeat, antibody A and antibody B, both are added to the sample, it gives clump, that is AB blood group. No clump, O blood group. Only anti-A is added to the sample, it gives clump, that is A blood group or AB blood group. Antibody B is added to the sample, it gives clump, that is B or AB blood group. And last one is RH blood groups. There are if the RH antibody is added to the sample, it gives clump, that is RH positive. RH positive. If the RH antibody added to the sample does not give clump, that is RH negative. This is RH negative blood group. That is about blood groups, group test. That means there are 3 antibodies in the laboratory. What are the 3 types of antibodies? Antibody A, antibody B, and RH antibody or anti-D antibodies. These 3 antibodies identify with the help of these 3 antibodies, we can identify or test the blood group of any person. So that is about blood group test. And coming to remaining ones, if the person contains antigen A, that person is called A blood group person. RH antigen also contain that blood, that is A positive. Coming to a simple table, that is blood group, antigens, A positive and A negative, A positive, A negative. A positive blood group contain antigen A and RH antigens. So total number of antigens. Number of antigens 2. RH second blood A negative blood group. A negative antigen A is present. RH antigen is absent. Next, antibodies. Antibody and number of antibodies. number. So these are the antibodies. This is a simple table for any competitive exams. A positive contain A and RH positive antigens. So total number of antigens 2. Here total number of A negative. Total number of antigens 1. Next, what about antibodies? A blood group contain B antibody. A blood group contain B antibodies. Only number of antibodies 1. A positive. A negative also 1. B, that is equal to 1. Natural RH antibodies are absent. So antibody RH antibodies are absent in that blood groups. And next, the second blood group is B positive blood. B positive and B negative. B positive and B negative. In B positive blood group, in B positive, number of antigens, B antigen and RH antigen. So there are 2 antigens. Antibody A is present. So number of antibody 1. Number of antibodies 1. B negative, only B antigen is present. So number of antigens 1. Antibody A, number of antibodies A. B negative. So A positive, A negative. B positive, B negative. And next one is AB positive and AB negative. AB positive and AB negative. AB positive and AB negative. In AB positive, A antigen, B antigen and RH antigens. There are 3 antigens. So total number of antigens in AB positive 3. 3 antigens. AB negative, A antigen, B antigen, RH is absent. So 2 antigens total number. AB positive, in AB blood group, antibodies are absent. So 0. Here also antibodies are absent. Coming to last one. Last, O positive blood group and O negative blood group. O positive and O negative blood group. In O positive blood group, O, A and B antigens are absent. RH antigen, only RH antigen is present. RH antigen is present. RH antigen. So number of antigens 1. O positive blood group contain A antibody and B antibody. So there are 2 antibodies. O negative. O negative, in which antibodies or antigens are absent. 0. Antigens are absent. Antigens are absent. O negative antigens are absent. So 0. Number of antigens 0. Antibodies, A antibody and B antibody. So total number of antibodies 2. So in the table, highest number of antigens, blood group with the highest number of antigens, AB positive. AB positive. Blood group without antigens. Blood group without antigens, O negative, 0. Blood group with highest number of antigens, AB positive. Blood group without antigens, O negative. O negative. Arrange the following blood group based on their number of antigens, ascending order or descending order. Here, first one is AB positive, highest number of antigens, highest number. AB positive is greater than AB, greater. Next one, AB positive and AB negative is equal to AB negative, 2 antigens is equal to A positive is equal to B positive. A positive is equal to B positive. Next, here AB positive, there are 3 antigens. In AB negative to AB positive to AB negative to A positive to B positive to. And next, A negative is equal to B negative is equal to A negative, B negative, O positive. O positive. In A negative, 1 antigen, B negative, 1 antigen, O positive, 1 antigen. And last one is O negative. Antigens are absent, 0. This is descending order. Arrange the blood group based on the number of antigens, descending order. Antigens, descending order. And last bit, arrange the following blood group based on the number of antibodies. Number of antibodies. Blood group with the highest number of antibodies, O positive is equal to O negative. There are 2 antibodies. 2 O positive is equal to O negative. And next place, A positive is equal to A negative is equal to B positive is equal to B negative. B negative. And last one, AB positive is equal to AB negative. In O positive, there are 2 antibodies. O negative also 2 antibodies. A positive 1, A negative 1, B positive 1, B negative 1. AB positive 0, AB negative also 0. This is the descending order of blood groups based on the number of antibodies. This is number of antigens and this one is number of antibodies. That is about number of antigens and antibodies in various types of blood groups. In simple, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 types of blood groups. And coming to blood group inheritance. Group inheritance. This is parent blood group. Blood group. Blood group. Father. Mother blood group. Mother. Father, mother. Father blood group is equal to A. Mother blood group is equal to A. Children or child. Children blood groups. Or A into A. A into B. A into AB. A into O. Coming to B. B into B. B into AB. B into O. Next, AB into AB. AB into O. And last one is O into O. For example, A group, A blood group man marries the A blood group woman. What are the blood groups appear in their offspring or child or children? For the detection of this type of sums, first we have understand the genotypes of blood groups. For example, A genotype is equal to IA, IA or IO, IA. Another A is genotype. Second A is equal to IA, IA or IA, IO, IA. Father blood group A genotypes is equal to IA, IA. Mother blood group genotypes B, mother blood group A, this is A, genotypes is equal to IA, IA. Result IA, IA, that is A blood group. IA and IA, this one also A blood group. If the both father and mother blood groups are homozygous dominant, the result is child or children, result is A blood group. A into A gives rise to A. If both the parents, father and mother, are homozygous A, result is A. That means 100% offspring are A blood group. If these are heterozygous, for example, father A blood group IO, IA, mother blood group also IO, IA. This is heterozygous. This is IO, IO, O blood group. IO, IA, A blood group. IA, IO, that is A blood group. IA and IA, this is A blood group. If the father and mother both are heterozygous, the result is one O group 1, A groups are 3. One O group and A groups are 3. So phenotypic ratio is equal to, phenotypic ratio in this case is equal to O is to A is equal to 1 is to 3. Genotypic ratio in this case is equal to IO 1, IO 2, IO 2, IA is equal to 1. Here this is O group and these are 1 O group and 3 A groups. So genotypic ratio is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 1. Genotypic ratio is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 1. And second one is equal to A into A. A into A, it gives A group or O group. A into A gives A group and O group. The first case, A into A, result is A or O. Second one, A into B, it gives. So correct result are obtained when we take the parents are heterozygous. When we take the parents are heterozygous. For example, in this case, A and B are heterozygous. IA, IO, father, IB, IO, mother. Result is IA, IB. This is AB blood group. IA, IO, IA, IO. This is A blood group. IO, IB, IO, IB. This is B blood group. IO, 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 IO. This is O blood group. The parents A and B are heterozygous. The parents are heterozygous in condition. They give 4 types of chains: A, B, AB, and O. A, B, AB, and O. If the parents are heterozygous. Very, very important. And next one, A into AB. A into AB. Result is A, B, or AB. A, B, or AB. If the A is heterozygous, IA, IO, and other blood group is IA and IB. Here, AA, IA, IA. This is A blood group. IA, IB. IA, IB. This is B blood group. IO, IA. IO, IA. This is A blood group. Last is IO, IB. This is B blood group. This one is AB blood group. A blood group, AB blood group, other A blood group, and B blood group. So in this case, the result is A, 2 A's, and 1 B, and 1 AB. And next one, AB, A into O. A into O. It gives A and O. A is heterozygous. IO, IA into IO, IO. So O, IO, IO. This is O blood group. IO, IO. Also O blood group. IA, IO, A blood group. IA, IO, A blood group. So result is O, 2 O's and 2 A. So this is correct. And similarly, B blood group. B into B is equal to B and O. B into AB is equal to A, B, and AB. Next, B into O is equal to B blood group and O blood group. And next, AB. AB into AB. AB into AB. Here, very IA, IB, AB blood group, and IA, IB, another AB blood group. These two A blood group, these two AB blood group, these two AB blood group, these two B blood group. So result is AB into AB, A, B, and AB. And next, AB into O. Very, very important. AB into O. So parents are IA, IB into IO, IO. This. So IA, IO. This is A blood group. IA, IO also A blood group. IA, IO also A blood group. B, IB, IO. This is B blood group. Another one, IB, IO. That one also B blood group. So result is A into O, AB into result, A blood group and B blood groups. Here, very very important. Parents are different and also offspring also different. Different parents with the different blood groups combination. AB into O gives rise to A blood group and B blood group. And final one is, last one is O into O. O into O. All are O. This is very, very important for NEET and SET and other competitive exams. A into A, AO. A into A gives as A blood group, O blood group. A into B, A, B, AB and O. A into AB, A, B, AB. A into O, AO. B into B, BO. B into AB, A, B, AB. B into O, BO. AB into AB, A, B, AB. AB into O, A and B. O into O, O blood group. That is about genetic inheritance. Very, very important concept. Last one is blood transfusion. Blood transfusion. There are main 4 blood groups: A, B, AB and O. Blood transfusion. What is blood transfusion? Transfusion of blood from one person to another person. Here A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group and O blood group. These are the donors. Donor blood group. A, B, AB and O. These are the acceptors or recipient blood groups. Acceptors or recipient blood group. These are acceptor or recipient. Recipient or acceptor. Blood transfusion. Blood transfusion. In blood transfusion, a simple principle is there, that is, when we transfer the blood from one blood group to another blood group person, we can identify the donor's antigen. Okay, the reaction between donor's antigen and antigen of the donor and antibody of recipient or acceptor. This is the principle. We observe the donor's antigen and recipient antibody. The same antigen antibody, same antigen, A antibody, same antigen antibody, it gives clump or agglutination. It gives agglutination. Same antigen antibody gives agglutination. So the blood group cannot donate the recipient. Here there are 4 symbols. First one is minus. Minus refers the single plus and double plus. See, minus refers the no agglutination. No agglutination. no agglutination. No agglutination. Single plus refers the light agglutination. Light agglutination, there is no problem. Double plus refers the heavy agglutination. Heavy agglutination. Double plus refers the heavy agglutination. Here, simple one. First, we observe the donor blood group. This is A blood group. In A blood group, donor blood group, we observe the antigen. What is the antigen in donor blood group? A antigen. What is the antibody in recipient or acceptor blood group? This is the acceptor blood group. In acceptor blood groups, we observe the antibodies. What is the antibody? B antibody. Here, A antigen and B antibodies. That means these are different antigen antibodies. So, different antigen antibodies, no agglutination. Whenever the agglutination takes place, if the antigen antibodies are same, that in that case agglutination takes place. Different agglutination does not take place. So, donor A blood group transfer the another A blood group person. So, there is no problem. So, no agglutination. That refers minus. Minus refers the no agglutination. That means A blood group can donate the another A blood group. Here, blood group A and another blood group A can donate. A can donate another A. And similarly, in A blood group injected to the B blood group. In A, antigen A. B, antibody A. So here, same antigen and antibody.